Good day from sunny Guarantee in Junction City, Oregon. I'd like to walk around this 2019 Winnebago. This has a tremendous floor plan. This is a 26A. It's a mini Winnie. I'd like to take you around it and show you some of its amenities. Nice colors on the outside, as you can see. Furnace, LP, 10-gallon water heater. Storage right here along the bottom. We have additional storage here. Nice tall storage under the rear bed. This one does have stabilizers with the switches here on our right, make it easy to get to. So go around the back, we have the slide out that comes out the rear. Our black tank dump here in the corner, along with some nice rotocast storage here. You know, as you're looking on the web, make sure you look up Winnebago, one of the oldest RV companies in the U.S. Do a tremendous job of building great quality coaches with great engineering. So our front slide, again, a little more storage here in a couple of places. This one is built on the F450 chassis. So it has plenty of pulling power, Ford V10 with the 6-speed. Front fiberglass cap. Chrome mirrors with outside cameras in the mirrors and along with a backup camera. So as you know, Guarantee handles many brands with many floor plans. I think this is probably my most favorite floor plan. It's a little 26-footer that dresses up more like a 30-footer. So 3-burner gas stove and oven, microwave, 2-door refrigerator, nice pocket door to separate off the rear, shower with bathroom. One of the little things Winnebago does, see these little springs? That allows this door to sit here open and create another privacy area. Back in here, I think, is one of the tremendous things this one has. This has a slide out that goes out the back. The bed folds in half when it comes in. But the other thing it's got, I think it has the most wardrobe storage that you're going to find in any small Class C. 3 doors, 2 drawers, a shirt ward, and a small nightstand. As we come back up towards the front, across from the kitchen you have pull-outs. You also have this nice large U-booth dinette. This can lay down to create a bed. These can pull up for footrest. And of course, like many Class Cs, has a great sleeping area and storage area above the driver passenger. Your TV swings around on an arm along with your DVD player. So if you have any interest in this, make sure you give us a call. Probably the best Class C floor plan in the business, this little 26A. Well, thank you very much. Appreciate your interest.